Just a real quick video for you guys. This is Paul, Motorcycle Audio and 12-volt accessories. I just wanted to go over real quick on how we perform the pre-wiring of our amplifiers. These are important points, so I just want to make sure that you guys understand. When we plug in the plugs in our amplifiers, we also put a little bit of hot glue to hold that plug in and keeps it from vibrating loose. Same thing with the connections, say on the RCAs. A little bit of hot glue on those keeps those connected. And then also, like on the Loom, you could see right there, there's hot glue, keeps that split loom on the wire. And since we're on the split loom topic, as you know, this is plastic, and we decided to use this instead of the weaved wire coating that other shops use. See, the plastic actually keeps moisture, it keeps humidity, and keeps dirt from ruining the wire coating, whereas the weaving basket looking material that, again, other shops use, allows for dirt, heat, water, moisture to enter and attack this coating on the wire. Another important point I want to make before I wrap up this video is these crimp caps. That particular shop kind of really called us out for using crimp caps because, like, we're the only ones who use it, saying, it allows for moisture in there. But as you could see, we actually squirt hot glue inside the bottoms of the caps, which keeps moisture, water out of the connection. Another important point to make is the connection itself. The two wires that form this connection are actually twisted, and then the crimp cap is installed and crimped. Now, the reason why we do that is because of logic. As you know, electrical current travels on the outside strands of the wiring. So when you take both ends and twist them, that's the most efficient connection with the least amount of resistance. So say some people use butt connectors or fancier butt connectors. Well, the wire goes in, crimped to this aluminum inside there, and then back to the wire. This forms a humongous amount of resistance. And say some people say solder. So, when you take both ends of the wiring and you put a big gob of this solder on it, this also forms resistance because now the current has to travel from the wire outside the big gob of solder and then back to the wire. So if you're looking for, say, the least amount of resistance, old school twisting is where it's really at, to be honest. And that's pretty much about it. If you have any questions, you could always send us a message or an email, and we'll further explain why we do what we do. Thanks for watching.